your space, and you want to have loose, comfy clothing on. You don't need a headset, and you don't need to look like me. Hopefully, you look like you. So to do self Reiki, all you really need is yourself and the universe. So we'll be calling on the universe to help us with our self Reiki practice today. Yes, we will. You can sit like this in yoga sukha delicious pose or not. Sometimes I recommend not to cross your legs because that can block energy, but this is a very meditative position, so we're going to sit in this position to start. If you choose to not sit like this, you can do this laying down, you can do this standing up, you can do this sleeping. I don't think you can sleep. Anyway, so you want to be in a comfortable seat, in a comfortable position, your spine elongated, shoulders relaxed. Again, if you're laying down, just make sure you allow your weight to surrender to the earth. So since you're doing this for yourself, you want to do the invocation or introduction. I usually do it in my mind, but I'll do it out loud tonight. You want to draw the symbols, but more important is calling on the divine. So that's what we're going to be doing. And you can call on a loved one that you know that might have passed that could help you. You can call on your own divine guides, or if you don't know anybody or any way to call for help with this process, then you're more than welcome to just go ahead and ask the universe itself. Before you start, make sure that you're shaking off any excess energy. Shake, because we always shake. Shake off any extra energy, get rid of it, and then you come to stillness. Okay, so however that works for you is how it works for you. We're starting with the hands, just rubbing it together. And you can put them at your heart center, pushing one palm into the other, taking a nice deep breath. Exhale another ha. Inhale. Exhale. Ha. Inhale. And exhale. Now, just allow for the moment. Gyan Mudra, fingers, the wisdom, mudra of wisdom. The first and second finger touching our personal identity fingers. We'll be going through the chakras, the root chakra, or Muladhara, the sacral chakra, or Svadhisthana, the solar plexus chakra, or the Manipura, heart chakra, Anahata, the throat chakra, Vishuddha. I don't have to touch that one. The third eye, or the Anjay, and the Sahara, the crown chakra. So that would be the major chakras. And they're all around us. But for now, we're just going to work with these. And then we'll rub our palms together again. And now you'll ask your angels or your guides, please, all of my guides and all of my spirits and any loved ones and the universe, please make sure to come and help me with this energy process, this energy healing session, and keep me safe. And I have gratitude for all that is. And you can say whatever you want as you allow your hands to fall to your knees for a moment. Remembering that Reiki is about moving energy to promote healing. Each of the chakras is related to a gland or a system in the physical body, as well as an emotional component to each chakra. So with your hands, again, just keep them warmed up, Reiki hands, drawing a spiral on each palm. Chakra Reiki on. So putting our own Reiki on. And allowing your hands to come to your lower back. If that's not accessible to you, it can be at the sides. It's not necessary, but it's helpful. And I'm just kind of walking my hands like that, but you don't have to, they could just be there. And taking a few deep breaths into the lower first chakra, the root. Feel the heat of your hands on your lower spine. Imagine a root actually growing down into the earth, tethering you and keeping you safe. As you bring to mind the color red. So your hands are there, they're warm, and suddenly feeling very red. Maybe as red as the earth's center or the core. Red healing energy coming from your hands, from the divine. As you feel your emotional state, feeling safe, secure, and held in this moment, knowing that in this moment, just right now, you're okay. And say that to yourself. I am okay. I am safe. And if you're not feeling safe, then you might want to invite in safety. Please bring me safety. At the root chakra, Muladhara, safety. And then when that feels complete to you, let your hands just make their way to your hip points, your lower belly, the sacral chakra, where we're going to think about water for a moment as your hands have just flew from the root chakra to the sacral chakra with the color now orange. So thinking again about the earth. So from the earth comes the water, and it's not orange, but let's think about orange. Okay, orange here. Thinking about healing hands, bringing orange energy and light. And the orange kisses or touches the red. And you just feel that. Feel how your hands get a little warmer with each moment. Inhaling and exhaling. And any position. If you want your elbows down or out, it's your choice. Breathing in and out. This chakra can relate to relationships, self-worth, your relationship with yourself. So falling madly in love with ourselves as we just hold this position and flowing through life with ease and grace like water. So we are grounded, tethered to the earth with the water element in the first chakra and feeling safe. And we bring it to the sacral chakra with orange water and feeling as though we can flow through our relationships and life with ease and grace. Anytime you have to move, go ahead and do that. And then bring your palms to your solar plexus, the Agni, the fire. This is this chakra. So imagine the sun rather than fire if you want to. And this is where our self-will comes in, our power. Our breath, our prana, our life force comes from the breath. Inhale, feel your belly expand a little. Exhale, condense. And the color yellow in your hands, warm, sunshiny hands, giving you the power to continue, giving us the power to say nice things, giving us the power of expression, our own self. I am power. And letting the hands drift up to the heart space, wherever that feels like a good place for you. This is generally where I would put my hands. So you can always adjust. It's your Reiki. Calling upon the heart chakra now. Colors usually be green and pink. And know that these are not like right here. It penetrates through, just as if these heating pad hands. Take a breath of each chakra. Feel into my own heart space. That's really tender. That's tender for me. Imagine the colors of pink and green wrapping around the heart. And at this space, we turn towards the ethers, towards the heavenly realm. Or you can use it also as like clouds or something. So we're coming into, this is the turning point from the lower to the higher chakras. So feel into your heart. Maybe you like green, maybe you don't like green, maybe you like pink, maybe you do, I don't know. But going with your heart space, close your eyes for a moment, taking a deep breath. What does your heart say? Yes, this is about love, but go deeper within, deep within, and find your heart's desire. I am healing. I am peace. I am well. I am bliss. I am. Imagine you can see all these colors streaming up into your hands. The orange, the red, the yellow, now the pink and the green. As the hands drift to the sides of the neck, and I'm going to choose to let my elbows kind of hang heavy. So breathe in my throat chakra, feeling blue, the color blue. So I float off into the blue sky. And in the throat chakra, you will perhaps feel your breath kissing the back of your throat. This is related to our ability to speak, express ourselves in ways that are healthy. We're not saying too many words, blah, 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 and we're not holding words that we're saying and communicating using our own words. But I love to hear people say they're speaking from their heart space. So maybe you take your hands for a minute, place them on the heart, let that energy flow into the throat, into the communication center, and trust that you're on the path. You're on the path, and communicate that. Don't hold things in, and know what to say. When to say it, a lot of pressure there. So how about I am truth? I am truth. If we tell our own truth, we can't go wrong. Now bring your palms to the third eye. You can do it this way or this way. Or you can just have one hand and rub circles here. It's also called the yin yang. Depends on which lineage you're in. And this is indigo purple. And again, picture all the colors streaming through you, up, 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 as we tap into our intuition here. The intuition, this is the seat of the intuition. I am knowing, or I know, we know things. Yes, we do. And then drawing again all these colors, mind's eye, warm, flowy, healing. Here, as they were. I am open to higher realms. I am open, I am open, I am open. Coming back to the third eye. I trust my intuition. To the throat. Just let you can linger as long as you want on any of these chakras, asking for healing or homeostasis, for status quo. Coming back to your heart. Again, I would advise several more breaths than I'm doing. So what feels right for you. Maya! And then come to your belly. You can always stop and Reiki on your dog. So let's see how this works for her. So I'm already Reiki'd up, and I'm channeling energy from the divine to her so she can calm down. Stop thinking her throat chakras too loud for me. Good girl. Notice how she changed and surrendered. Sat at my foot. So the Reiki flows down, flows up, flows down. Okay, so what was I about? We're bringing energy not down, but it's just traveling. Okay, it's kind of like doing laundry in a way. It goes up, it goes down, it goes in, it goes out. And coming back here, fighting this chakra. And you have to pick which one you want to linger on the most and which one feels like you need healing there. When I'm doing this to other people, I will feel into that heat or cold energy. You'll find it. And then bring all the energy once again up. Up, up. Take your time doing this. This is a demo. And bring the hands here. And then bring them down. Come to your feet. Imagine you're collecting up all the remnants and pieces of fragmented self and life or things you don't want, and out it goes. And then in its place is a waterfall of beautiful healing energy, and that comes all over you. And that out it goes, and then in its place is a waterfall of beautiful healing energy, and that comes all over you. And that is, see, it works. You want to make sure you dust yourself off before you finish of any stale, staticky energy that might have stayed with you. Shake your hands off. Doing the spirals again. Chakra, Reiki off. Bring your hands to your heart center, and you want to thank you, universe, angel last or to the guides or whoever helped you with your practice today. May you be well. May you have freedom from future pain and suffering. May you have peace and so much love in your heart and soul. Satnam Vaheguru.